Hey guys, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2025 GMC Sierra 3500. It's an awesome looking set, Kryptek Typhon for the insert, a super durable canvas fabric, and then the trim side is the Midnight Croc alligator fabric, which is just super easy to clean up. Looks great inside here. Let's check them out, both the front and rear rows we've done today, loaded up with pockets for guns and gear. Let's check them out. All right guys, so let's check out the fabrics inside here. Again, it's the Kryptek Typhon fabric for the insert and then the Midnight Croc for the trim. Oftentimes on our website, you see this switched. You see the alligator fabric or the ostrich fabric in the middle section and then the canvas camo as the trim. So, but we flipped it. We thought, hey, this could be kind of cool, a cool set here. Throw some more gator in it. So if you like that black gator look, but then you want a little splash of camo as the accent, this is a really cool consideration to go with. So again, Kryptek Typhon canvas for the insert, breathes a little bit better for like when you're sitting there on your back and your bottom there. That's a little bit more breathable of a fabric. This trim side, the Midnight Croc, solid black croc, is gonna be best for wiping up. This is a really great fabric for both of these are really good and both waterproof, easy to clean. But this one wipes up even a little bit easier, that croc fabric is. I just love seeing these scales pop out here in that croc fabric, that alligator fabric just looks really cool. You can see multiple panels that form this seat cover. We got this upper panel here, lower panels, there's multiple side trim panels that all form together to be a multi-panel seat cover. Makes it fit so much better, guys. Looks so much better. Yeah, this is waterproof, durable, tight fit to your seats, so no problem in making sure that it's protecting your seats underneath. This is a seat cover that pulls on top. Some people don't believe me, but yes, watch my install video. You can see this seat cover pulls on top to protect that cloth or leather that's underneath the seats, and just a great looking set of seat covers to do it. So here is the headrest, the driver headrest. As you can see, we have the American flag headrest logo sewn into it. Just a really cool logo, our most popular logo, for good reason. Love flying Old Glory inside the vehicle whenever you can. So love how that turned out right there. You can see some other logo options on the website as well, so check that out online. And that's sewn in to that headrest and just matches up really nice. This is a laser engraved with a gray inside there, and that gray matches up really nice with this set. The headrest covers all trimmed out to fit nice and tight around this headrest. This headrest, Chevy doesn't make it easy for you to remove these headrests. In fact, as you can see, as I'm pushing my hands underneath, fully covered. So, and I have a full install video teaching you how to get all these on, but it's full coverage all the way underneath here and just trims out really nice around your headrest area. Let's check out this 20 section. This is a middle seat. So this is called a 40, 20, 40. The outside buckets are called 40s. Middle seat's called the 20 section. So this is your 20 section that lifts up. There's a lid right here that has its own cover. And then you have full access to your storage sections right here. No straps going across right there, just full access. And that still locks down nice. You still have your cutout for your cell phone up here. That's all looking good. Everything is still accessible up around here. Again, I have an install video that walks you through every step of how to get these on, so we can guarantee that you'll get them on nice, snug, tight, just like I've done here. I've lifted up this 20 section here. You can see there's a 20 section backrest cover and a bottom cover. This particular GMC has top storage that I showed you and bottom storage. So this bottom seat lifts up to store your gloves and gear underneath here, and you have a cover protecting that, so when you have your dog or a passenger sitting here right here, or you spill your drinks, that's all going to get cleaned up nice and easy, and you have those covers protecting that. This is all dressed out in the Midnight Croc, so the solid black croc alligator fabric. Just a really cool look right here. All right, here is the bottom cover here. You can see the Kryptek Typhon coming in the middle, Midnight Croc on the side. Just a cool combination. Again, fully waterproof, very durable. If anything's going to wear out over the next 5 years on your original seats, it's going to be that driver bottom. And so it's so good to have this protected and get that wear and tear on a seat cover, not on your original seats, because it's a lot cheaper to replace a seat cover than it is to replace your original seat. Can be upwards of $1,000 to replace a driver's seat sometimes, with the labor charges that go into all of that. So protect yourself, protect your seats, and protect your finances there by getting a good cover on top of this, where you're going to get the most wear and tear. And I love seeing this right here, where the fitment around here is so nice. You see 1, 2, 3 panels that really conform around this bolstered seat on this GMC right here, and just a nice looking set. Here is the driver's side MOLLE pocket. We're getting into some of the different custom options and pockets that we did on this setup. It has 3 strips of MOLLE webbing on the outside. It's a nice large pocket that you can store your sidearms, your pistol, on the inside of it. So you can see that, just a completely concealed pocket. Store your pistol inside there. Now, with that MOLLE webbing, if you're not familiar with that, that allows you to attach additional carriers. So let's say you wanted to have an external pistol holster on the outside. You could connect that on right there, or put a first aid kit, a water bottle carrier, or even just hook your knife on the outside is a nice way to have an extra spot to store some extra gear on the outside, maybe a flashlight, tactical flashlight like that. Nice, and it's a thin pocket, really doesn't stick out much, unless if you really load this pocket up, then it'd stick out quite a bit. But you know, if you're storing a sidearm, a knife, or a flashlight on the outside there, just a nice way to store some extra gear. One of the coolest custom options that we offer on our website is the driver's side pistol holster. Works like this. Your pistol can drop right into that holster right there. Works best when you have a seat configuration like this. That's a 40-20-40, because you have a middle seat cushion where it can push in between those, just like that. Works great for your pistol. It also works great for a cell phone slider if you just want to drop your cell phone inside there. Our customers have loved it. Now I want to show you one of the coolest custom options inside this vehicle that we've done. This is called the Special Ops Package, or Tactical Package, because you can store up to 2 rifles going across. You can store a bow in it as well. The bow pocket would be right here. That opens up, the bow sits here, and then there's a strap up here where you strap the upper part of the bow in right there. And then there is a crossbow pocket that's hidden that pops out if you have a crossbow you want to load up as well. But now, if you're not carrying bows or rifles, that's okay, because you can use these for jackets, binoculars, gloves, all kinds of gear. I also really like the MOLLE webbing strips right here, because you can connect on a first aid kit through that MOLLE webbing. You weave that in right there, that connects on nice and secure, so you can have a first aid kit. Always good to have a first aid kit inside the vehicle and ready access to it. Another really popular thing that our customers like to have is an extra water bottle carrier. You can never have enough water bottle carriers or water cup holders inside the vehicle. So that's another option. That works with that MOLLE webbing. You just pop that on, pops on there, connects on, and then you're good to go. So just a really cool package for guns and gear on the backside. And I really like this set, because this set we did in the Kryptek Typhon, which matches the insert fabric that we did on this vehicle. So really cool that this the Kryptek Typhon Special Ops package on the back matches the insert. Really cool combination. The Special Ops package is always out of a 600 denier fabric to hold the weight of the guns and the gear that you would load up here. So we don't do that in the Midnight Croc sim leather fabric. It's always in a canvas, and in this case we did it in the Kryptek Typhon fabric to match up that insert that we did. Just a really cool combo there, and I love how this accents that the insert as well. We're on the rear seats now, this crew cab in this GMC Sierra 3500. You can see that it's a solid backrest with an armrest that folds down and 2 side storage doors. The side storage doors open up for storage back here, so you could drop gloves, gear, additional gear, ammo, whatever you want to store back here. These really cool side storage doors, but I wanted to show you how those fit on. So you can see it's a really nice finish, really flush finish. A lot of seat cover companies don't do a very nice job on those storage doors, and so it's nice to have a really nice custom fit around those. And so that way you still have access to your storage. You can get behind there, the pull tabs still work and everything is all matched up. Now in this particular set, you can see the insert fabric, which is Kryptek Typhon, goes with right on those storage doors, And then everything else on the backrest is all going to be your trim fabric. So in this case, the trim fabric is Midnight Croc, the alligator fabric here. And everything else, including the sides of that storage door, are the trim fabric. Just the front face of those storage doors are the insert fabric, Kryptek Typhon, and it actually looks really cool like that. Here's a close-up on this armrest here. You can see how nice and flush it fits around here. In my install, I explain how to get that on. You can tuck that underneath, or you could leave it as a hemmed edge around there just for a little easier install if you like. Now this pushes up and in, still works great as an armrest right there. It's a little tighter with that Croc fabric because we've added some extra fabric now around the original. And there's these inner liners right here that do add a little bit more fabric there, but it's nice to have that trimmed out and just all covered up. So that's a nice feature here in the Gold series here on this exotic product, camo product here. It's just really cool to have that trimmed out, looking good, and just a nice looking armrest section. The two rear headrests finished out really nice as well with the American flag logo and matched up with the front seats. It's always best to match the front seats and rear seats. Everything just looks symmetrical and really nice. You can see that's sewn in right here on that laser engraved patch. Just looks sweet right there. And it still is gonna fold and function just how it should. That armrest can fold forward if it needs to. There's that little button on the side there. Press that button and then it folds forward there. And just trimmed out really nice around this headrest post area, and just love how this turned out. The middle headrest look really nice in there as well. Everything's all matched up back here. Here's this middle headrest just trimmed out really nice right there in the matching Midnight Croc. This bench seat is a 60-40 split bench, meaning that the 60, the larger section, folds up independently from the 40 section. No way are you going to get this type of fitment with a universal fit cover, guys. You got to have a custom fit, truly custom fit cover for your seats to get this type of fitment. Bottom coverage underneath here, so when this is up, you have the bags, the dirty bags, the wet dog gets in, no problem. You're not gonna have to scrub that carpet anymore. It's just gonna wipe off nice and easy on this material. Love having that gator fabric underneath there, just looking good and easy to clean up, guys. Now, safety was kept in mind in the making of these seat covers. All of the seat belts, the seatbelt receivers are gonna have cutouts, gonna be fully functional, and also the child seat attachment bars, which are located right down here. If you need to clip those seats in, I got my boys, we gotta load them in, guys. And we need those seat belts, and we need those seat attachment bars right here. They're called ISOFIX bars. Those are still gonna be accessible on all our seat covers as well. Thanks again for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers and Camo, your source for custom seat covers. If you have a truck or UTV that you're thinking about getting seat covers on, you need to jump over to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for really those vehicles, trucks, and side-by-sides, but also those cars and SUVs as well. We can get those covered. So jump over to coversandcamo.com. We look forward to serving you soon. Thanks.